No one handed over this dream. It was stirred, kneaded, and baked into reality. From the quiet corners of a home kitchen, where the light hits the counter just right, something extraordinary was built. Not with shortcuts, not with permission, but with grit, grace, and an unshakable belief in what's possible. These aren't just cakes. They are self-made triumphs. Every recipe tested, every batch perfected, every challenge faced with courage. This isn't about impressing anyone. Else, this is about honoring what lives inside. A spark, a vision, a voice. And when women choose to follow that inner calling, to pour love into each detail, to build something from their own two hands, they become a force. Not just bakers, but architects of their own success. Sweet, powerful, self-made. And every creation they make, it whispers a reminder to the world. This is what unstoppable looks like. Enjoyed the cake design? Like, share with your friends, and subscribe for more sweet and fun baking videos.